Alright guys, so they're out of that wash bath and they actually sat in there for 3 days, and I'm just giving it a normal low pressure hose wash. Looking good. And look at that. This just comes off. That just wipes off all the surface rust, just comes off it, and that's how you do a budget DIY home chemical clean. Alright, it still left a bit of this you know, the tinge of, but that's nothing. I'm gonna have to maybe wash it with a sponge or something. That comes off, guys, there's no problem. You see that? See what I mean? And I didn't pressure blast this with a gurney or anything like that. It's just basically low pressure with the hose. So yeah, a good soap and hand wash. All this orangey tingy stuff will just come off. There's some Ford blue. That's a rose. I think it's pretty badass. Yeah, there's the other one. So we got some Ford blue happening there. And that's the deck surface. Same thing. Stock head's never been decked. There's that thumbprint. You know, these would clean up very well. And there's just some of that. So this is just a, you know, hose down straight out of that bath. Yeah, not bad. Come up okay, I reckon. Just got that orangey tinge left behind. Like I said, I'm not going to bother. You can get some soap and some tough scrub sponge and, you know, get all that shit off, but I'm not going to bother. I'll just oil them. Just get them dried. Yeah, come up alright for a $10 clean. And this was the worst head. So chambers come up alright. And these heads don't seem to be decked. There's that thumbprint, that factory thing on the surface there. And you know, it's just still got this, you know, the orangey tinge left. Like I said, it'll be good to go over it with a hand wash and, you know, like a tough sponge or something. But yeah, you even loosen the valves too. So the valves just decided to, you know, pop open, which is good. And that stuff looks like it's gasket residue. It's just got that tingy color over it, that's all. There's the surface. Sweet. Yeah, that's it. That's a gasket material. It's way above the actual surface. Oh, I'm happy with that. And that was the bad one. Nice. Yeah. It's just residue. That's all it is. Come up real good, I reckon. And at least it's more presentable like this, you know. You drop it off to a machine shop or even to your engine builder or what have you, it just looks more presentable. They can see what they're dealing with, and you don't want to drop off junk looking heads, you know. It's just like I said, just a residue left behind. Come up good, check that out. Yeah, sweet. I'm happy with that. Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, so the valves decided to pop open. Like I said, you know, I couldn't get them open before. They were just, you know, there's the seat, you know, things like that. It's not too bad. So before it quickly oxidizes again, I've got to give it a nice oil spray. Yeah, so I won't bother about the residue. And like I said, that, you know, that tingy stuff just stays there. I'm not going to bother. So what I'll do is just use the water dispersant. It's a lubricant and a preservative. And that's just all it is. And I'll dose them with this everywhere, inside out. Yeah, I'm not going to bother with that residue. Like I said, it's pretty good. Not bad for a Chemi-Clean. Okay. I'm going to dose the water jackets too. And just store these away. And see what happens in them. This is how they should have been stored in the first place, but what do you do? So there you go, guys. Just a low potent, cheap and effective way just to, clean up your rusty cast iron bits and pieces.